is. He's the A, he's the M, he's Anthony Mayer.
Okay.
The other man, all the way from Prince Rupert and other places. He flew in last night just for this. You know him, you love him. The opener, David Adjei. All right, gentlemen, get up here very quickly.
Touch gloves.
Stand nose to nose. I want a fair pastry fight.
Beer
I want some levity. I want some fun.
All right.
Okay, there's an
That we can
audience
do.
watching. Watch the swear words, David.
We're gonna
Shake hands and
Touch
start
gloves.
setting up.
touch gloves. Okay.
There you
All
go.
right.
We go.
We should be touching wrists or something.
Yeah,
like that.
pastry,
Okay,
something.
okay. Just
Okay.
get, so
Where
we're
we
going to
going?
give you guys 45 minutes on the clock.
Starting when?
Starting now. Oh, now.
It's really good. It's this whole dessert when you take the spoon all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom, and you get everything in there.
Yeah, man.
It's such a great balance, and it's for as simple as this is. It's a nice, simple comfort food style dessert.
Wonderful.
It's so complex.
It's the smoked banana chocolate terrine, right? Caramel, malt dust, little peanuts, and some cocoa nibs on top of it.
That's rich.
It's like
Yeah.
some crazy things going on there.
Yeah.
Today, two chefs came here to Kitchen Royale and battled very well. Chef David Adjei. No, look at David. Chef David Adjei. Chef Anthony Mayer. Today's victor is
Chef, it is obvious you are terrible with dessert.
Thank you, Chairman.
Chef, it is obvious your dessert is old school.
Agreed.
You are both incredibly awesome. So you both get the high five!
Yay!